Okay, so this is a thrift shop find. Looks like a vintage cast iron. Really caked on really good. I don't know the make and model of this, but we're gonna do the easy off method and put it in a bag, and yeah, we'll see what this is. I think I paid $25 for this at the thrift store. I know it's a vintage one just by how smooth the pad is. All right, so hopefully I'll show you guys what this brand is. Okay, here is the garbage bag, some easy off, and we're just gonna give a good amount. Alright, so that is hopefully a good amount. If not, we'll just keep on doing this some more. Okay, so this is the initial one. Okay, now right here. Does it tell us what brand it is? Okay, so I clean everything up. It is a Griswold Iron Mound number 9. I'm using grapeseed oil. Just going to pour just a little bit. Okay. Between 1998 and 2004, the Bulls had guys like Elton Brand, Tyson Chandler, Brad Miller, and Mark Fetters. But even though they had all these players, spread it over. They never put a cohesive team together. That's how really they keep it. And we're gonna bake this in the oven for about an hour at 450 degrees. Okay. Okay, so this is the final result. I did 3 coats already. This is a Griswold Iron Mountain number 9. Perfectly well, I believe it's perfectly seasoned.